Understanding, close up those cuts, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might sound a bit peculiar at first. Close up those cuts. This expression isn't just about physical wounds. It's rich in meaning and usage in everyday English. Stay with us to uncover its significance and learn how to use it like a native speaker. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, close up those cuts, in its most literal sense. To close up means to seal or heal a gap or opening, and cuts are wounds or incisions typically on the skin. So, if someone says this referring to an actual injury, they're simply suggesting to heal or cover the wounds. This is straightforward, but the beauty of language lies in its figurative uses, which we'll explore next. When we step into the realm of figurative language, close up those cuts takes on a deeper meaning. It can be used metaphorically to talk about healing emotional wounds or resolving problems. For example, if two friends have had a misunderstanding, one might say, "Let's close up those cuts," implying it's time to make amends and move past their issues. This usage is common in English to convey the idea of repairing relationships or situations. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Here are a few tips. Use it when suggesting to resolve disputes or overcome challenges. It's often used in a supportive or advisory tone, can be applied in both personal and professional contexts. Remember, idioms like this one add color and depth to your language, allowing you to express complex ideas in a simple and relatable way. Let's look at some examples to see how close up those cuts can be used in sentences. After the heated debate, the team leader said, "Let's close up those cuts and work together moving forward. I know we've had our differences, but it's time to close up those cuts and rebuild our friendship." We hope this exploration of close up those cuts has been enlightening and adds a new layer to your understanding of English idioms. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and emotions they convey. Don't be afraid to use this phrase in your conversations to express the idea of healing and reconciliation. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.